This linen is crystal clean, looks like it's brand new linen. It's white and looks new. Let me just advise both the hosts and the guests for Airbnb. You want white, clean linen. If an Airbnb is not providing white linen, you might want to look elsewhere, because this way you know it's really clean and hygienic. If it's colored, dark colored, it could be dirty. So this way, it's either brand new white, but if it's not brand new, that means that they probably bleached it. And when they bleach it, it kills bacteria, it kills fungus, and it kills viruses. So it's hygienic. So you want to look for white linen. Some people may pick your Airbnb or they may not based on the linen. That's what I look for. I don't want to be sleeping on linen that's dirty or soiled by fluids of another person, if you know what I mean. Here's the living room. Nice large sofa, and it has a nice sized TV and a console underneath. It does come with Wi-Fi included. The place is nicely decorated. There is a sliding glass door that you can go out to the balcony. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's a small balcony, but if you want to get fresh air and just sit out and get fresh air, you can. And this is the view. Here's the kitchen. It is well furnished. It has a oven and stove. The stovetop has an electric burner and 3 gas burners. Here's the oven. Everything here is looking clean. You have the microwave. She even has a blender right here, and a toaster, and a tea kettle, which is pretty common you see in Kenya and in Africa in general. And this looks like a thermos, because if you want to make a lot of hot tea or a lot of hot coffee, you can have that. Of course, you have dishes and glasses and such. Here you can see glasses, even wine glasses above, cups. They all look new, which is really nice. A lot of times, Airbnbs, they don't all come with really nice cookware or adequate amount. So she really spent a good amount of attention, thought, to furnishing her apartment really nicely. And that's why I chose this one. There were several 2-bedroom units available in Tatu City, but hers, she's fairly new to Airbnb. She priced it right, and she put a lot of nice touches to this unit. It's well decorated. I really feel good here. Everything is practically new. This is a full-size refrigerator, and she even provided bottled water, a dispenser here, so you can get hot or cold water straight out of the dispenser. And there is a room off the kitchen that has a washer and dryer and an iron and iron board and storage space and cleaning tools. This dryer right here, well, one of them is a dryer, I think. But she did say she had a washer and dryer, and that is unusual for Tatu City. Most of the units in Tatu City at this time do not have dryers. It's just a washer, and then you hang your clothes up outside on the line like that right there. Very common. I've seen people, lines overnight with clothes on it. So it seems like it's a pretty honest and safe environment where people don't have to worry about people stealing their clothes off the line, because I see it a lot, overnight clothes on the line like that. But it's nice to have the option to dry your clothes indoors and not have to go out if you don't want to. So that's a pretty neat feature of this apartment that sets it apart from other two-bedroom apartments in Unity East is where we are at right now. I want to show that she also has new pots. Really, really nice place. Okay, let's go see the bedrooms. This bedroom is the master bedroom. Nice bed. Large. I think it's a king. Yep. So it has lamps on either side of the bed and drawers. Oh, this is locked. Feels locked. Oh, no, it's not locked. Okay, so drawers. And let me say, okay, this linen is crystal clean, looks like it's brand new linen. It's white and looks new. Let me just advise both the hosts and the guests for Airbnb. You want white, clean linen. If an Airbnb is not providing white linen, you might want to look elsewhere, because this way you know it's really clean and hygienic. If it's colored, dark colored, it could be dirty. So this way, it's either brand new white, because it's hard to keep white, but if it's not brand new, that means that they probably bleached it. And when they bleach it, it kills bacteria, it kills fungus, and it kills viruses. So it's hygienic. So you want to look for white linen. If you have an Airbnb, some people may pick your Airbnb or they may not based on the linen. That's what I look for. I don't want to be sleeping on linen that's dirty or soiled by fluids of another person, if you know what I mean. This unit also has a TV. That's another thing that's unusual, is it has a TV in the bedroom. So she has 2 TVs in her 2-bedroom apartment, which is really nice. They're not built-ins, but there are closets that you can hang your clothes and fold your clothes and store them there. Lots of closet space. And she has another comforter up there. Very nice. Another place, I already put my suitcase there. Another place to hang your clothes, adequate hangers. You put my knapsack there, and there's more levels to fold and store your belongings. So very nice master bedroom. Here's the bathroom. Let's see, where's the light? Okay. All right. There's a view of the master bedroom, and here's a view of the master bath. It is small, but adequate for a short stay. I'll be here 2 weeks. And it has the essentials, and it's clean. It's a walk-in shower. And she's provided slippers and wash and even toothpaste and towels here, cloth towels, also white, very nice, white towels, air freshener, cleaning supplies, garbage container, and extra toilet tissue, which is nice, and paper towel and soap. So, very good, very good. Well furnished master bedroom and master bath. Here's the second bedroom. Put the light on. Another really nice bedroom. I love the furniture. It fits so well. It matches the flooring so nicely. So, and the curtains. She really coordinated her unit very nicely. White linen, y'all. That's what you should look for if you want hygienic environment for you to sleep in. And whatever else you want to do in your bed, you know, it's clean. And another closet. Nice. Very nice room. Very nice room. All right. And here is the second bathroom. All right. Second bathroom looks like it might be a little bigger. Yeah. Okay, here's the walk-in shower. She provides slippers here, wash. There's a mat. Oh, I never saw the mat put on the wall like that before. Okay, you can put, there's a mat for the floor if you like, or you want. And extra toilet tissue, good. White towels, nice. Okay, everything is clean in here. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay, and that completes the tour of this 2-bedroom unit in, let me put the light on, it's starting to get dark outside. Okay, of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit in Unity East in Tatu City. For the price, look at the description box. So I talked to the owner on the phone several times. She made sure that things were okay for me in preparation. And I'm happy to help promote her unit because she is a young Kenyan woman who's working in the States now. And she has some family and friends that help her manage her unit here. And I've met one person already. So it's all good. And I'm looking forward to staying here for 2 weeks. If you are interested in renting her unit after my stay at some time in the future, you can make a comment below and I will follow up to connect you. I may also, if it's okay with her, put her information in the description box so you can contact her directly, or you can just look for her unit on the Airbnb website. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Asante sana is thank you very much in Swahili. Asante sana.